I'm Helen Chambers. I studied at Leeds Beckett University. I studied my law degree there. I did my LPC, both part-time. I currently work for Capstick Solicitors. I'm a litigator in the dispute resolution team. I'm very proud of the fact that I started from a one-lawyer firm, graduated to one of the biggest commercial firms in Leeds, and then came to Capstick, where I'm very happy, very settled, enjoying what I'm doing. They're a medium-sized law firm, absolutely at the top of the game. I deal a lot with property litigation. I deal with serious incidents which take place in hospitals or any healthcare setting. More serious offences, potentially corporate manslaughter, investigations, it's quite varied. The best thing about studying at Leeds Beckett, even though it was part-time, you still felt really part of the university life. The academic staff were fantastic, and that comes from them being extremely experienced. They're all very qualified, they will give you their time, they're very, very interested in developing you as a person and giving you the best start possible in a future career in law. I decided to do my degree part-time whilst working full-time. And at the end of the first year, I really wondered whether or not I could get through 4 years of part-time study and full-time work. And I missed the first 6 weeks of the second year because I wasn't confident that I could carry on. I then went to speak to one of the tutors who was extremely supportive, assured me that it was a normal feeling, it's all very common, that I'd missed 6 weeks, it wasn't the end of the world, I could come back and carry on, and really encouraged me to just come back and do it. And if it hadn't have been for the support of more than one tutor, I often wonder whether or not I would have even made it to the end of year 2. Even 10 years ago, it was a very good resource centre. Now it's unbelievable. The technology that they have, the mock courtrooms which they have now, which they didn't have when I studied, they all give you a sense of what's going to go on after you leave law school. I have been back to the university very recently to take part in a mini mock assessment centre for LPC students, which was extremely enjoyable. You're right in the centre of Leeds, you are around the commercial district, you're around the legal district. In Park Square you have all the barristers' chambers. Very close by here there are so many legal firms. It's not just a law school, there are other aspects to the university as well. You can socialise with students from other faculties. The social life obviously is extremely good. The sports facilities are amazing. So it gives you that broad range of something outside law.